Hey guys, I'm Jack from GVS, and right now I'm in the 2025 CPSE, and it's already the 20th China Public Security Expo. So let's take a tour to our booth here, showing off everybody the KNX solution and video intercom solution. So first of all, as you can see, we have a booth of about 72 square meters with decoration under KNX and the GVS logo, and we're a listed company. We're the only listed company for KNX video automation and video intercom in China. So right here, the first part is the S series push buttons and touch panels. For example, we have a S3 together with a touch panel and the push buttons. And we have also the S series buttons with the display in between, so that you don't have to input any paper template to show in the indication of the buttons. And right now we have two colors for standard version, the black and the white, and we're working on the gold and anthracite version. And as you can see, we have already the accessories of the European sockets and also the British sockets. And at the same time, for this series, we have not only the push buttons, but also the touch panels. And right now, here we are having a S13, a 13-inch touch panel showing off. So it's 100% KNX. And on this panel is one of our classic KNX push buttons and touch panels. What's new? So because GVS fans, they already know that this is a product series launched like from 3 years ago, and it's already in a very sought after. So we have 4 standard colors: white, black, anthracite, and gold, and of course a silver, which is not exhibited here. So we have a touch panel, a full capacitive touch panel with all the typical KNX functions. We have buttons with different shortcuts, and we can have, for example, here laser engravements directly on the button itself. What's new today is that we're having all these accessories added into this system. So as you can see, we can install together the push button, the volt push button of a 86 millimeter, together with a socket, with a suka socket, and also we have a 80 millimeter aluminum faceplate, having all these sockets being installed together, and which is very important in actual use. And we're going to the back side. Here is one of the most sought after 55 KNX push button sensor with the display. So traditionally speaking, we have a lot of 55mm system with other brands, but most of the brands, or let's say the product from the last generation, they always have a piece of paper that you either have to write down the function of the buttons, or with laser printing, etc., to indicate what function this button indicates. So currently, right now, we don't have to put any paper in it. All you have to do is just simply put down in ETS what this button is for, and which icon you would like to choose, and what status you want this button, this icon to have when you push down the button. And it's a European friendly, or let's say a German standard push button. Also, it comes with the other sensors, for example, like carbon dioxide sensor, and we're working on a brightness and motion sensor also in this 55mm. And as you can see, we have a whole series of frame. We have also the sockets to pair with this 55mm system, KNX push button. So on the left side, one of the latest offering we are giving to the market, so that is a KNX glass sensor GS3. So you can have all these functions being programmed in ETS, the logos, the icons, etc. Very easy to use, and it's with a anti-glare glass. So basically, no frames will be left here. And at the same time, we're also working on a whole series of frame to hold all those sockets and accessories. Coming to the next part is the second biggest part of business in GVS, the video intercom business. So on the right panel we have is the IP 2-wire video kit. So basically the advantage of this system is that, first of all, it's a video kit. So basically you can use it in a DIY market. And second is that it comes with a very slim panel for like maximum 4 residents or maximum 8 residents. And we can also have a single outdoor unit. So when we call it, as you can see, we use 2 wire. While at the same time, we have an HD version. We have 1024 times 960 pixel. So basically it's HD, as you can see here. So it's a big advantage compared to the traditional analog 2-wire system. And on the left side is the big system. So we have the SIP series video intercom. So we use the standard SIP protocol for this whole system, and this whole system is meant to be used for multiple dwelling or tower buildings to maximum, let's say 10,000 apartments, which is a very huge number for the residential apartments already. So we have this kind of outdoor station with the keypads, touch keypads. We have a single outdoor station. We have an indoor station of 10 inch, of 7 inch, of 3.5 inch, and 5 inch. For example, if we push this button, it will go directly to here. And the most important thing that we're not showing in this panel is that actually this system can call directly to the S-series touch panels like S3, like S7 and S10 or S13. So basically we have this on our left hand, this S-series video intercom, and on right hand, the full KNX system. So next to the S-series video, and as we all know, that this is the most classic video intercom. And we're still having a lot of offerings to the European market. We have the modular system, which can be installed on the surface of the wall or embedded into the wall. And we have a different size, so 7 inch, so the 4.3 inch, and the 5 inch. So basically analog 2-wire system, we can also work together, make this system work together with the 2-wire system. And here we have another digital 2-wire system which works with the modular system, as you can see here, with the surface mounted modular system. And we can call either from the outdoor station to the indoor monitor, or through your mobile phone with our own app, or through the 2-wire app here. We can take a closer look at the indoor monitor, and I can make a phone call directly. So basically, as you can see, it's HD image while we're still using the 2-wire. So it's digital 2-wire. And on the right side, we're exhibiting, we're showing our whole solution for smart building and smart home. And as you can see, we have a KNX as a backbone. It's an international standard, it's an open standard, it comes with the KNX secure and it's stable. And meanwhile, we're also reaching out to other wireless systems, for example, the 2-wire system. We have a KNX 2-wire gateway, which means that basically when you're using the KNX system, you can have all those 2-wire accessories, push buttons, sensors, etc. Get connected with the KNX system. And at the same time, we have the whole video intercom system being docked into the KNX system, where within the KNX system, we can offer the full range of possibilities. For example, smart control interfaces, including the push button, touch panel, combination of push button, touch panel, different sizes of touch panels. And up there, you have a full range of different sensors, exterior sensors like weather station, interior sensors like carbon dioxide sensor, 9-in-1 sensor, brightness and motion sensor, etc. And at the same time, we have air quality management series of products to offer that kind of feature. At the same time, also the lighting system, we control either the traditional lighting system for dimming, for switching on off, and at the same time, we have also DALI gateway, KNX DALI gateway based on DALI 2, which becomes also an open standard within DALI ecosystem. And at the same time, we're also reaching out to other third-party systems. For example, we're compatible with, for example, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Alice, and also domestic speakers like Xiaodu, like Xiaoai by Xiaomi Home, etc. So basically, what we're offering to our customer is not a closed system. We're offering a system that it comes with the possibility of a fulfilled and wholesome building automation of smart home, but at the same time, we leave the possibility of docking to other systems to our users. And on the right side, on the next part of this system is a nurse call system. We normally have this system being implemented into hospitals, nursing center for the old, for the pregnant, etc. So this is widely used in the hospitality hospitals. Except from the systematic systems we have, the Kinect system, the video intercom system, and also the nurse call system, we have also the smart home thermostat or smart Wi-Fi thermostat. And with this, we do have a lot of customers in North American countries like the United States, Canada, etc. And that's a system that is widely used there. And so that means that we're not only offering the customer a system, but we're also leaving them the option of a DIY market. So basically, let's do end in here. And you're always welcome to visit us. We got a booth number 2B65, and you're always welcome to pay us a visit. And if you need any help, just find Jack. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.